Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to pay on Temu using PayPal so you can complete your purchase quickly and securely. This method adds an extra layer of protection when shopping online. On your Temu dashboard, tap the menu icon to open your options. Go to your cart. Once you're in the cart, tap the checkout button, then tap it to continue. As you move through the checkout, tap the checkout button to proceed. At the bottom of the page, select the PayPal option as your payment method. Keep in mind that PayPal may not be available in all regions. Availability depends on where you are located. If PayPal is supported in your region, simply tap it to select it. Just tap the PayPal option to set it as your payment method. In our region, only these 3 payment methods are available, and that's how you pay on Temu using PayPal. Just a few simple taps and you're done. We hope this helped make your checkout experience easier and more secure.